In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a GoDaddy online store step by step using GoDaddy's online store builder to get your shop online quickly and professionally. If you've been wanting to create an e-commerce website for physical products, services, or digital downloads, this tutorial will walk you through the full setup from the first click to publishing your store live. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open GoDaddy's online store builder and click Start for free. This is the fastest way to begin because GoDaddy will guide you through an AI-powered setup process instead of making you build everything manually from scratch. Once you start, GoDaddy will ask you a few questions about your site so it can tailor the store to your business. Now, define your business. GoDaddy's onboarding tool will ask what you want to sell, and you can choose things like physical goods, services, or digital downloads. It will also ask for your business name and your industry category. Be as accurate as possible here, because the answers you give help GoDaddy generate a store layout that actually fits your business type and gives you a better starting point. After that, GoDaddy will generate the template for you automatically. This is where the platform creates your initial e-commerce layout based on your answers. You'll usually see important store elements already built in, like a homepage, a shop section, a shopping cart, and a client sign-in portal. This saves a lot of time because instead of setting up every page manually, you get a ready-made structure you can customize right away. Next, it's time to design your storefront. In the editor, click Theme in the toolbar to change the overall look of your store. Here you can adjust your brand fonts, colors, and button styling globally, which means your changes will apply across the whole site. This is one of the most important steps because it helps your store look polished and consistent with your brand. If your store page is not visible yet, don't worry. Just click Add Section on any page, search for Online Store, and insert it. This is how you can bring your product area onto the page if it wasn't added automatically. You can also pin a featured products section directly to your homepage, which is a great way to highlight your best-selling items, newest products, or your most important offers. As you build, take a moment to review the navigation and make sure visitors can easily move from the homepage to the shop and checkout areas. A clear layout helps customers browse faster and makes your store easier to use on both desktop and mobile. Even simple improvements like better button labels, cleaner headings, and strong product placement can make a big difference in how professional your store feels. Once you're happy with the design, you can publish the website using the button at the top of the page to make it live. This is the point where your store becomes visible to the public, so before publishing, double-check your homepage, shop section, branding, and any text you added. After that, click Publish and your GoDaddy online store is officially live, and that's how you make an online store website with GoDaddy. But there's one more important step after publishing, adding your products. You'll need to do this through the dashboard, and to get there, you can press Import Products. That's where you'll begin bringing your items into the store so customers can actually browse and buy them. We've got videos coming right up for that process, so if you want to learn how to add products the right way, make sure you stay tuned. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step website tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.